Here's our video for our mouse paint primary colors painting. You're going to need a piece of paper. Mine's a square, which might be an easy place to start. You're going to need water, and you're going to need yellow, red, and blue. I'm using paint. If you have paint at home, use paint. If not, you can use anything else to color. Your paintbrush is like a ballerina. She is so careful. She's not the Incredible Hulk stomping around. She is a ballerina. So my ballerina dips her toes in the water. She's going to start with yellow. What color does she start with? That's right, yellow. See how carefully she's getting her toes wet? Now she is going to paint 1/3-ish of your paper. That's about like that. Now she cleans her toes off super duper well. If you look at her toes, do they still look yellow? If so, she needs to wipe them off some more. Then she so carefully wipes her toes on the edge of your water. Is she splattering? No, because that's going to make a mess. The next color she's going to use is red. See how carefully she's swirling and dancing in the red. She's not stomping or scraping. She's so careful. Now I'm going to paint red on another 1/3-ish of my paper. She's so careful. Now make sure that just a little bit of your red goes into that 1/3 of your yellow. Now she washes her toes off again. Are they still red? Mine aren't. She dries her toes just a little bit. And the last primary color is what? Blue. You got it. She's so careful. She gets her blue. And now she's going to paint the last 1/3 blue. Look, my ballerina needs a little bit more blue, so I can just come get a little bit more. Make sure that you paint just a little bit into your red. And just a little bit into your blue. You can see mine a little bit, but you know what? I'm going to do a little bit more. I needed some more water. And there is your mouse paint with your primary colors. What happens when your blue and your yellow mix? You get green, just like in mouse paint. What happened when your red and yellow mixed? Orange. And when your red and blue mixed, you got purple. Okay, our next step is to let our painting dry just a little bit. And while it dries, we are going to cut out some mice. My painting is sitting over here drying. I have a white piece of paper that's smaller than my painting because we're going to cut out some mice. I'm going to use a black marker so that you can see it really well, but you can use a pencil or a crayon, whatever you want. I'm going to draw an oval for my mouse. Now I'm going to cut out my mouse and come back. I went ahead and cut out 3 mice because I'm going to put 1 mouse on each primary color once it's dried, because we had 3 mice in our story. I have a pink marker. You can decorate your mouse however you want. I want my mice to have cute pink little noses and pink ears, and they're going to have maybe a pink tail. You can decorate your mouse however you want. My mouse is also going to have cute eyes. Now, as soon as my painting is dry, I'm going to glue my mice onto the primary colors. And there is our mouse painting.